Greetings, everyone. In some sad news from the continent, apparently, Afriforum, the racist lobby group of white South Africans, has won a ruling in the High Courts, which initiated the payment of a cost order to Julius Malema and the EFF. And this court proceeding began in March 2017 and has culminated in Afriforum actually arriving at a victory in this case, in which the court has ordered the economic freedom fighters and Julius Malema to pay a sum of 337,000 rand or dollars. And basically, what has happened, failure of paying this bill resulted in the court actually ordering that their movable assets be seized. They ordered that the movable assets of the EFF, and namely Julius Malema, be seized. Now, as you remember, the particulars of this court case were the incitement or the so-called incitement of squatting and land seizures which has taken place, land occupation which has taken place um, in the months preceding. And what has happened, many people, they have been emboldened by the revolutionary cause which is taking place. They've been emboldened, and basically, some people feel like it is in their best interest at this time to squat on the land um, prior to expropriation being fully passed in Parliament, right? So, what I'm saying, the economic freedom fighters, they actually didn't do anything wrong. They didn't do anything wrong. What actually took place, they were telling the people that, look, our people have been murdered on this land by the Boers. Our people have been dispossessed of land. Our people have been abused. Our people have been put in zoning restrictions. Our people have been subjected to a dark apartheid history. And basically, what Julius Malema said was precise and exact. If the people see a piece of land that is beautiful, they should take it because it is their own. These truer words were never spoken, okay? The land belongs to the people. Those who took the land according to ill-gotten gain, those who took the land under a period of subjugation while black people were being oppressed, those who unjustly took title to land that was owned by Africans for millennia, all right, so that they can have a farm to feed themselves and to enrich themselves while Africans are suffering. So in a situation like this, Julius Malema said what should have been said. And the only real question is, why wasn't it being said by everyone else who had this common history and this common ancestry? Okay, so for the court to order that Julius Malema and the EFF pay money for speaking the truth about the history of South Africa and about the land acquisition which must take place to free our people. For the court to do this, this is an unjust development, and I would encourage everyone, we need to write letters from around the world. We need to write letters to the South African high courts, find out the court that actually had jurisdiction over this case, and we need to plea on behalf of the international community that they reverse this order because it is unjust. Our brother was right for saying what he said, and I only wish I was there so that I could say it. I only wish I was in his capacity so I could say it because, you know, it was a very surprising and a very welcome surprise for me to see that other people around the world, particularly in South Africa, were concerned about righting the wrongs of yesterday, right? Righting the wrongs of yesterday and returning our birthright into the hands of our people, you know. So I would encourage everyone to support Julius Malema in his endeavor, and I would hope that there's a successful appeal that can reverse this. I would hope that Cyril Ramaphosa, in his capacity as Commander in Chief of the country, he should step in, intervene, and They should see that if this takes place, this means any political party will be oppressed for speaking out. Okay? How could you force a person to pay a fee for speaking about what is a reality in the country? So people, I would hope that Julius Malema and the EFF survive this battle into the next election, and that they can maintain their position as a welcome, a necessary voice for political change on the continent of Africa. But until next time, one love.